Okay, with the Resilion A shell here, to go measure between the two flanges where the spokes mount. And I've got about 51 millimeters, 2 inches, say. That's between center line to the flange, center line to the flange. Okay, between this flange to the sprocket, I measure 3/4 of an inch, 19 millimeters, between the sprocket and this edge of the flange and the Resilion A hub. Okay, across the sproke holes, from one end to another where the sproke mounts the center line of the holes, I measure about 2 1/8, say 54 millimeters. That's a Resilion A hub. Okay, in the Resilion A here, between the dropouts, I've got 114 millimeters, 4.5 inches. That's on a coaster brake Resilion A 20-inch Hercules, early 60s. Here's a Resilion hub that has a B on it, and it's also 2 inches, 51 millimeters between the areas on the hub where the spokes are laced. Okay, I've got about 114 and a half, 4.5 inches between the washers here where it's a Resilion coaster brake hub with a B on it. Okay, between the sprocket and the one flange here on the sprocket side, I've got about 5/8, 16 millimeters. Okay, between the sprocket holes, I've got about 2 inches, 51 millimeters, in the Resilion B hub. Both this B hub and the A hub, I've got 40 spoke holes. They're so similar, might be the same. I just wonder if the A and B are really just a date code or something. B is one I got off eBay a few years back. And the A is off the bike that has an internal damage to, there's a piece in there that's broken where it slams the cone in on the roller piece. So the idea was to take this one apart to fix the other one. I thought it was a bigger hub, but it looks like it's about the same size.